think now, because obviously we've kind of expanded in the last couple of years since the time that we've obviously known you, to selling properties in the northwest, in Manchester and Liverpool as well. And I think you recommended a client to us who is now just about to complete on a property for about 160,000, which should have a market value of about 200, and he's getting a net income of £1,000 a month. So from that, what was it about the northwest that you started to feel?
Well, obviously, having that relationship with you for the first couple of years, 2 or 3 years, knowing that you could deliver what you preached, what you said. You know, you said there'll be good growth, you'll get it rented, good yields, fantastic sort of thing in Haverhill. I spoke to a friend of mine who had said, you've done this for a family member. So I said, look, you know, it's all about trust. In my eyes, you know, it's not about words, it's actions, and what you delivered in Haverhill. I said to my friend, have a meeting with you, see what we can do up in the northwest. You've got some properties up there. Can we get the growth and get some yields there for you there? And you know, that contact's been going on for the last sort of 4 or 5 months, and yeah, we're pleased to know that is sort of exchanged, and very, very happy. And the property values, you know, 40, 50,000 what he brought for initially, and he's getting the rents £1,000. So the yield is magnificent. So he's well chuffed.
Brilliant. And